Welcome to my channel, good people. Coinbase declare IPO through direct listing. What does it mean? And because this is the first stock market linked to crypto asset, it is very significant for both Coinbase and investors. The question is, what are the risks and uncertainties associated, if you like, embedded in the IPO? Stay tuned to find out. And this video is for financial education purposes. So grab a cuppa and then subscribe. You see, without wasting much of your time, let me soldier on. Meanwhile, please note, during the production of this video, according to Nasdaq, Coinbase is going public via direct listing at a reference price of $250. However, according to Bloomberg, and based on speculative projection, the IPO could be trading between, say, $350 to $375. Meaning, based on this projection, the IPO value of the company is likely to be in the region of, say, $100 billion, making it the most capitalized legal entity in the industry. Okay, I think you are curious to know why Coinbase go public through direct listing. Okay, now stay with me. Meanwhile, I strongly recommend you go and watch my video titled Coinbase Go Public Through Direct Listing. You will see the clip at the end of this video. I explain the why in details in the video. However, let me summarize why. You see, the strategy of direct listing is designed to bypass or to eliminate the middleman. I mean the underwriter who facilitate the IPO process and then charge commission for their work. I mean the likes of investment banking. So, what message is Coinbase trying to pass across by eliminating the underwriter? Good question. You see, by doing so, the company is determined to adhere strictly to decentralization, disruption, and all that blockchain concept represents. Besides, a direct listing is also a means of attracting greater capital and liquidity with added transparency. This is sure to please decentralization and cryptocurrencies fans. Okay, let us examine the Coinbase business model and how it generates money. You see, the business model of Coinbase is centered around fees it charges for trading cryptocurrencies. Other nodes of income include credit card, transaction fees, referral fees for promoting courses, a custody services, as well as profit from the venture investments. That said, so the question is this business mode sustainable? Well, let me explain what I mean. You see, the success of Coinbase is based closely and dependent on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. For instance, when the price of Bitcoin doubled, Coinbase revenue grew to say $1.8 billion. So, what is the implication of this correlation? I think you'd like to know. No worries. You see, the volatility of Bitcoin, that is to say, if Bitcoin falls, because it's very volatile, and if it falls drastically, as we experienced in 2018, it could have devastating effect on the share price of Coinbase. Besides, this is another uncertainty investors should pay attention to, and this is peculiar pattern which is very known to Coinbase and Bitcoin. You see, Coinbase generates, say, 86% of its revenue last year from transaction fees, mainly from cryptocurrencies trading. And in 2020, trading volume shot up to, say, 142% year over a year, producing a 137% rise in transaction fees. But investors should note that 2020 was a particularly great year for cryptocurrencies, during which Bitcoin price rose firstfold from say $7,184 per token to $28,972 per token. Again, there are other potential players out there who are more willing to compete with Coinbase and get exposure to crypto market as well. Meanwhile, what is your opinion about the IPO? Would you buy Coinbase IPO or wait after the IPO? Well, in my opinion, Coinbase will do well or is poised to grow, mostly because it is well positioned now, has the liquidity and has the competitive advantage as crypto asset company linked to the stock market. However, it may not be for long before fierce competition sets in. Please do your research. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe and like. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. For those who are already subscribed, thank you so much. Thanks a million. And the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.